Watcher 1 to Bravo, I'm in position. Half a click off the coast, structures are visible. What's your status?
We're set at our firing point. Eyes on a pair of armed targets hiding in the field.
You're green lit. Execute when able.
Roger. Stand by. Guys?
Low wind. 200 meters. On me.
Bravo, what do you have? Bravo, how copy?
Solid, Watcher. 2 down.
Good work. Push forward, see what you can find.
Eyes on the mobile patrols and the ground team ahead of us.
سلام وحشت که من نوکیم ویدیو هم یه پارت 4 بازی مدرن وارفر 2. خب قبل اینکه لعبه شروع کنیم دیگه طبق معمول اگر تازه میں جمع پیوسته که میں کانالا سبسکرائب کنه، ویدیو لایک کنه و کامنت بده واسه بازور نکنم برین که یه پارتان گو هم دیگه بگنده.
Scope in and scan the area.
خب برین که
I see him.
پارت 4
Likely. Let's low crawl around.
جان این مرده وشه سنایپر یه مرده وشه بودا.
Keep down. Stick to the grass. We don't need to fight them.
Watcher to Bravo. How we doing, boys?
On the move, Laswell. Cartel guards in the field.
Anything that can hold a missile?
Negative.
Copy. Keep pushing. Out.
بویز فعلا در حال سینه خیز رو گمشی بویز در چه حاله میشه چه در چه حاله بچه بسم الله چیه جنگی تو روح تو چی جد
Bravo, this is Watcher. What's your status?
او دو نفر جتی
Copy. Get to the tree line forward of your position. It'll give you some cover.
Copy. Hold in. Vehicles incoming.
کامار کشی ماشین را بگیم
Container truck.
Yeah, right size for a missile.
کانتینر شو اتوانایشی موشک
We have transports moving
داخل
north of our
امشی
position.
ببین
One's holding a container. It may have the missiles.
Copy. That's what we're here for. Moving along the coast for a better view. Stay on it.
Roger. Out.
برایش نزدیک از یک ویو بهتر یک
Let's
دایره
use it to cross the other
بهتر
side.
Yeah, on you. Cartels and terrorists. Strange bedfellows, huh?
Terrorists are all about the past. Narcos are all about the future.
What's the common ground?
Territory and fresh blood. They both attract the youth. Always a long line of new recruits.
Our glass is higher. We're more concealed. Crouch. Keep a low profile.
فعلا پر یه نمیگه خب
Hold up. Got movement approaching.
گروپ به دیمه پیدا آگی
Dead ahead. Try to anticipate their paths.
خب شیت کام مارته
You
رو
have to
بازم
maneuver. Do it slow and steady. No quick movements. Keep your head still.
سر
It's
جال
gonna be close.
کنشی جال که نه روش تکانی مده صحیح سک نزدیک ہو سکے وہ ये पूरी बेवर्ड पे आएगी
Hold here. Got two more ahead. Use thermal for visual.
I got him.
Dump him. His mate's mine.
गोशी देना
Dropped him.
Good shit.
जत आधे के कप्तान है जा
Structure ahead. No one outside.
Men inside.
Use your heartbeat sensor. Check the building's clear.
Clear. Nothing inside.
Roger. Let's keep moving.
चेक कांशी कसी दार चेक कुछ कसी हमने से खलाश गुंजा कुछ हमारे का तो बरेम कापितान बरेम
Looks like they stopped for a chat. No need to engage. We can pass
नहीं
by
आज भी
this area.
दारगिरी नहीं है शी इतने समझ नहीं स्नाइपर में दस्ते में समझ नहीं
It's on the move again. No visual.
मुझे पता है हरकतां दीदने
Let's keep moving.
दामे देश बरे
Tree line ahead. Let's get up there.
काट दे मेरे को बरो दिखे जल्दी मत हम बो
Trees will give us some better cover, but let's stay sharp.
आओ बरे
Be advised, container
द्राच
truck is
शिकावट
split.
दे अंतर है तो
They
तूने
may
बरे
be
जा
loading it into the warehouse. Multiple armed personnel in proximity.
Copy.
बच्चा
Watcher.
Go for Watcher.
You done this before?
Many times, Sergeant. Since you were in diapers.
Well, in fairness, he was probably potty trained by then, Kate.
Still am, sir.
We'll check your giving suit when this is over.
And we'll check yours too, Captain.
You're on.
वैसे मार ले वैसे फजा पचे सर सब्जी जाए वैसे
Yeah. Just past this ridge, we have a sight line to the main building.
जंगली मार ले वैसे
I'll be inside. Moving along the wind turbines, closing in on the ridge.
Good. You're coming up on the main buildings. You'll see them from the top of the hill.
Eyes on the main building, 400 meters at 1 o'clock. Find a spot in the grass. Let's see who's who in the zoo.
जाऊं दुश्मन बचा
Holy hell, Captain. Target-rich environment.
Affirmative. Cartel all over the place. Use your variable zoom from here. It's a long way down. Hold fire.
That's a fatality.
This day's over. Stay sharp. We can't let them reach the bodies of the other patrol. Too close to see him.
Durnap.
Los Alamos cartels are in.
जाना मशा केला
Clean shots. He's all
मजा है
alone.
पर
Compensate 3 notches for bullet drop.
Smoked him.
Early retirement. Take him. I'll get the other.
Falling down on the job.
We still got it.
ये तुम सरला नहीं था
It's just him. 3.5 notches for bullet drop.
Clean hit.
Good shooting. Take out 2 in 1 shot. I got the other. It's only him. 3.5 notches.
Finished him.
Nice one. He's all alone.
Bullseye.
Open season on Sicarios. Take those 2 out with 1 bullet. I got a friend. 4 notches.
Cartel kicking the bucket.
जॉन वश बचा कोई स्नाइपर मजा नहीं जाने का शान दो दाने पर गया तीर बिचने शाम अंचो बरे चाय आवाज करें
I'm lined up.
4 notches.
Dusted.
Done like a professional.
بلشان جانم بلشان جا باید آواز کنه بدم. خب چرا جام دلو که چرا تقریبا اوکی بلنگه کم کدی بریم بهتره بیجا. خب بریم ادا فکر کنم اوکی دیگه. اوکی چرا
Got him.
Good shit. Looks like the scout sniper course is still worth a damn. It's just him. 3.5 notches.
Hit him.
He's down. He's all alone. 3 notches.
Right on target.
Bad day to be a narco. I've got his friend. 3 notches.
بزنی آفرین.
Clean shots.
تمام برین جالانی بتا تمام بتا شاب پر کنه آماده بیبلی برو بره کوری پشتی من برده و ساید برم یه چکر راه وام सर पास जाए यार मैं ये नहीं था
You're getting a bit too close. We're stronger from a distance. We need to take out all exterior cartel before you make entry, Carl. Hold. Enemies left side. Let's earn them now.
दुश्मनी
Burn him. I'll say the other. He's alerted.
شو من دي
Hit one.
oh lord
Area clear of cartel. All dead from rapid onset of holes in the head.
Copy. Find a way inside. We need to know if missiles are hidden in those structures.
Roger that. Working on it.
Patience, Sergeant. Several cartel
شيء
cars can
يعني
see him.
وش تعرف هو شيء دي بمر
Hot on the roof. Cover me. Dead from
بمر
Heads up, asshole.
بمر
Roof's leaking.
تكتير going for كشت
Sky's falling, fucker.
كيره
Warehouse is clear.
oh
That
clear
container's inside. Check it and inspect the warehouse for any Son Hassan's missiles.
كانتينر check
Oh,
كان يوم
yeah.
كانتينر بچا
This is definitely a
كانتينر
cartel
پورش
outpost.
مواد
What do you see?
Metric shit ton of drugs.
Continental to
Warehouse is
chicken
full
de
of firearms, pills, raw materials.
John Kalash acha talai
If those missiles are
Sange.
here, we need to find them.
Guys, be advised. You got armor patrols moving in
Sen
from the other
tiran gira.
building. Appears there's 5 of them. Suggest using your heartbeat sensor and taking headshots
Achha,
with your
sir, Punjab.
suppressed sniper rifle. Keep a further distance from them. Sniping in ghillie suits is our advantage.
दुश्मन दस्ते
Watch the doors, Gaz. He's alerted.
¡Está recargando! Appears you can do math, sir.
روده روزه نه
Nah, it's taking the piss, Captain.
Got to laugh while we still can.
Stay
Babe,
on point,
babe.
boys.
Yes, Mom.
it's a suti
Don't come up
ये
to me. Remember, I can still outrun you.
Area clear
भले ये
of
तो पर
cartel.
साक्षी के छ कलाश कलाई को तो कार्टला
I want to know if it's clear of missiles. Check the next building.
Same drill, guys. You can breach in, use the skylights, or deploy tear gas into the ventilation and watch him run for it. Right, you got breaches for the doors if you need them, Sergeant.
तले ये कना आमादे कना शनिवार
We lose our advantage the closer we get.
ये साख्तमान तो का हंसते बलदार मोर इधर पचना करना बस हम पुजोर का शड़ना बाबा सार का देखे भी ख्याल
Put tear gas in the ventilation, they'll run out like rats.
गाज दौड़ दे
Point
उशीदा
tear gas. Get ready, Cap.
Copy, I'm
ओके
set.
मज गाज दार पाचिता अरे मैं जल्दी ट्रैक किया अच्छा टच नहीं मोड़ते ही था
Roof's
Amer.
leaking.
Hit one.
तमर
Battery building's clear. No
الناس
container's big
كلير
enough for a missile.
Not sure if that's good news or bad news.
Poke around and see what else you can find.
Found something.
What is it?
A rendering with schematics. More to this place than we thought. There's tunnels under the lighthouse.
Well, let's circle up and head for the lighthouse then. Meet me outside.
Copy that.
شيء خلاص أو اللي هو ده تشوف تشيك كذا كان فري أمي كلاش ديرا أي شوك بلشي سكوب شوك ترين
Lighthouse.
كابتن دان سيريسو ده تبتدي
Guys, let's push. We're a small team. They call in outside reinforcements. This goes real bad real quick. We don't belong here in the first place. If we did, there'd be more of us.
Good call, Kate. Well, let's assume cartels alerted all guns in the AO. Expect heavy resistance ahead.
Scout sniper. This is your jam, Captain.
Bravo to Watcher. We have a visual on the base of the lighthouse. Set it up
أوه لايت
here.
هاوس
Variable zoom comes in handy at this long distance. They're wearing armor. Aim for the head if you engage.
Falling down on the job.
Nice shot.
Smoked him.
Another dead narco.
आई तो भी जमे
Stay
शेर जना
sharp. We can't let them reach the
जरे
bodies
ये
of
मनी
the other
पढ़ा मते
patrol. Take one, I'll dump the other.
अरे वोस्ता जना ने वोस्ता वाको वोस्ता दिखे خب işe badi armor'ı gören o ben şey jane şey değil ne ya
Finished him.
tamam
Good shit. It's only him. 2.5 notches.
Dumped him.
Bad day at the office. It's just him. 2.5 notches.
Clean hit.
aa çakır rahi part ko sar tu ki lagi
On your go. 2 notches. Aim for the head.
Got him.
sar tu ka
Clean shots.
खबरें के ये दिख रहा है बिना दृश्य दीदने या
Can you shift your position to take out 2 in one shot? 2
Shambo.
guys can see it.
shift your position gushin da shift करने चाह रहे हैं बाहर तो उन्हें बिजने खम
I'm in position.
अंगे कम के बरुच होते على خوبه جون يا تيري دوين
Don't
أنت
like a professional.
ये
2
دوين
others
हम
got
तभी
sight on
बनने
you. Shift your position
بدرن
to take out
بدي
2
يعني
in
هو
one bullet.
وبعدين زاوية وشت ك ये دوين باز دوار گویا تیری بجنا فکر کنم ایدا خوبه چرا کجایی آو نه یکم کنگه بچوتر خب برین چهره عالیه فقط نی ایشیده کی ده او نامو شانس ار جاتی پدا
Your target if they are moving.
थोड़ी कप्तान जार में करती मैंने ते शेर ने
Alone. Bollocks.
ट्रिकी दिखती आई नो मर्द आखिर तरह आजीर सदा दरात
Windows. Guys, we've got movement on the road down there.
और पैदा आ गई टीम में गश्ती पैदा आ गई
Let's stop in and exit in the vehicle. Hide your gun, guys.
ची आए जो ती ज्ञान में से जाना
He's alerted. Ah, fuck, here they come. You're clear, guys.
टीम में गश्ती नहीं इधर नाबूद भी
Clear of cartel.
Thanks, sir.
All dead from rapid onset of holes in the head.
Captain, these guys aren't cartel.
Copy. Find a way inside. We need to know if missiles are hidden in those structures.
That's what you
Roger
call
that.
in this.
Working on it.
Copy. My guess is
सो
very
कि तो
few.
पाएंगे अंगोने
Hassan's men. If Hassan's got soldiers here, then
खबरें
something's going
चारे
down.
निकुजा रोग लूटी
It did.
There's several
housing.
outbuildings around the lighthouse. Get up there and check
garage
them.
या garage है या उसी के बाद check ببینم या مدرن که من بالا جتم یا هم باز به ما شکل ما برم برده شنچتا خالی بکنم چی بکنم پاک سازی دایم
Cover me.
زیری کیشه ساين برشيد انا او كلام من نادي باور كاسنا
Garage clear.
Search it.
اكثر دي والنبع ده تبانغوتي دور ده
I got something. cases and crates.
आई
Russian.
इसको पिटाओ लिया है कि तारकी तो का गेंदी
They're
उड़ी
empty.
ना गेंदा
Recently unpacked.
Russia's aligned with
ऐसा
Iran.
खबर है नहीं बेचारे
They may be helping us out directly.
दी मच खबर
This
है
is getting bigger, John.
Buildings across the way are still locked down. Let's clear them and find the entrance to those tunnels.
Rog, on it.
दूर में गेंदे क्या मना
Hot on the wall, follow me.
दूध आना من تازه عيال كوي تباني چیز خوبه پرين بل ما داني آواز نوید تبشی انی آواز چمون کایا در واقع یا کلم دو بیتن منظورشه کجا شد What? Почему?
Roof's leaking.
نمو؟
Heads up, asshole.
بمر عملي أول تمام بالتجربة
Interior clear.
أو أنا وش كلير خبرين تو كتر چه خبرين على چی واسه چمو برده کوپ نکوت که جالا نی روگ تو که ندانم
Smuggler's paradise in here.
What's in there?
Enemy KAA and enough parcels of God knows what. Definitely drug related.
Missiles?
Negative. Looks like they're living quarters as well.
Hold there, guys. I'm coming to you. We need to find an entrance to those tunnels.
May have found something there, Captain. Give us a hand, yeah?
I'll push you, Paul.
Yep.
इसके बलाएं माशी लिबास हुई
Think we found a passageway.
Oh, Danta, tunnel.
Jackpot.
Be advised, multiple boats approaching my position.
Need help?
Could be fishermen. Stay on mission.
On me.
Se begin a cape. Kaptan خشنه Kaptan خوشوناتی جو بخارج ماده یار
I wish I could say the same. Age before beauty, Captain.
Kaptan जवाब देगी नहीं
Bloody extensive.
Yeah, must lead out to the water.
पता शो जालते
Kate, I'm in the tunnels heading towards the coastline. You okay?
Boats
Oh,
are still
no,
closing. No
okay.
trouble yet.
Oh, I don't like this, Kate.
Comes with the territory, John.
You shouldn't be out there alone.
I'm not alone. I'm armed and dangerous, Captain.
Oh 축구 좀 하나 자네게 Kaptan tu da मजा नहीं वाद और बमेर
All clear.
आर्चे का नाम वाद kaptan तो उसका सेट का पे
Hey, have a look at this.
लाज़वाल है सर ना जा
Fucking hell.
Cartel's using for transport.
Thing's big enough for a missile.
कार्टना जिम्मेदारी आई है वो अच्छा क्यों
Kate, we're in a cave just off the coast. No personnel, no missiles.
Copy. I'm directly across. I think I've got problems here, John.
Copy. Stand by. Gaz, get your gun up towards the ocean.
What is it?
Boats are closing in. Looks like AQ. They have weapons.
क्या हमले को आई है ची
Contact! Engaging!
Kate!
दुश्मनी दी बचा सरगीर भी ये नहीं मतीर जाने के नहीं कैसे नहीं आशा
Fuck! They're boarding.
कि दो जा सही जा
Let's well! Fuck!
ताहल देखिए मेरे खिसाब को तो टीम वाले
Hemmed in. She's surrounded.
Al-Qatala's on the boat. They're taking it for me.
ये क्या है जो
Aina Lani, the slaughter.
कितने हुआ बरो चलो वो देखने
Get your fucking hands off of me!
Laswell.
बोर्डते
She's on the AQ boat. They're taking her.
They got her, Captain. They took Laswell.
Right, let's get off the X and talk to Shepard.
save Laswell grab a sniper
Let's go.
We need to get Laswell back.
Let's move.
ये बोर्डते oh this is Grogani gitti
This is proof of life.
Where did this come from?
Urzikstan.
Look,
Uzbekistan
pointing east.
Likely to Al Mazrah.
They get her underground there, we'll lose her for good.
We'll lead the rescue team.
That's not gonna happen, John.
Say again, General.
This is a tug of war, boys. We need to pull back, not lean forward.
Since when?
Since now. We can't just send in the cavalry. These things take planning and
no
preparation.
but
Things take violence and timing. I can do both. Kate's life is in a fucking hourglass.
I know you're upset, Captain. This happened on your mission, and that's a tough pill to swallow.
Are you telling me we leave her?
I'm telling you I can't help you, but I won't stop you.
I'll have her back in 12 hours.
Don't die doing this, John. Laswell wouldn't want that.
Mentre
I
come
don't
a
either.
General, I
Kutanaka
thought Kate was your friend.
War's
What
about
role
friends.
कि आई कुम आई
It's
तो
about
पकड़
enemies.
जा देगा
Good luck.
We'll be going head to head with AQ on that hotel. We're gonna have hundreds more protecting Laswell. We need an army.
Fucking get us an army. Nick! Where to?
سيدتي القتل هون
تمام شايفهم
أوه،
ويلا نعمل
فرعين.
مظاهرة واستعدنا هنيك
نعم سيدتي
كابتن it's Farah it's time
Raj wheels down in Wolf
Nick, convoy's inbound.
अब ये वीडियो हमला करते हैं
Already in your team now. Good. Settle down and hold.
ये वीडियो
Guys,
ये गेम प्ले
You stay in the heli on Overwatch. We'll work our way up the line.
Roger that. List in the herd. Get Laswell back.
Hey, old lad!
Ah! Thanks for the assist.
خب فعلا
She had a common enemy.
And a friend in need. Are you ready?
All set. See you down the road.